Let me take a guess. I am Sangonomiya Kokomi, the divine priestess of Watatsumi Island. My journey with you will be an opportunity to unwind. Respect must be given to the will of every creature. Each fish in the ocean swims in its own direction. The snow. Have you ever seen such beauty? Time seems to slip away when I'm with you. I lend myself to the deep. My heart gradually fills with a permeating sense of peace. Fish move in faraway shoals, jellyfish dance around me, and my troubles start to simply wash away. I could take you to see it sometime. What do you think? Time seems to slip away when I'm with you. Those are my favorite. Such fortunate weather. Care for a walk? Covenant of the deep! Billowing surge! Torrents bring refuge! I am Sangonomiya Kokomi, the divine priestess of Watatsumi Island. My journey with you will be an opportunity to unwind. Let me read them to you. Good night. Garner your strength for the battles ahead.
I hope today too.
Covenant of the deep!